Welcome back. It is 6:16 on this Thursday morning.
Let's check in now with KIMT Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sean McAday. Sean, we're waking up to some rain. Where in our area are we seeing that move through right now?
Well, right now it's kind of just the leftovers from the more intense showers and thunderstorms to our south and east. There was a lot of rain in southern Iowa overnight. Now that's turned into thunderstorms and some severe weather in Illinois. For our neck of the woods, we're getting the scraps. You know, whatever moisture wasn't sucked up by a severe thunderstorm to our south overnight has made its way to us. Right now, that's in the form of a couple light passing showers in North Iowa, particularly mostly along and south of US 18. And then also in southern Minnesota, there is a little bit of a front, a line gradually stretching from Manorville, Pine Island, through parts of Waseca County into parts of Freeborn County as well, but there's not much there. Temps right now in the 40s, touching 50 in Preston. Mason City is 46. We have been seeing rain this morning in Mason City. It looks like it's kind of coming to a close for a brief bit. In Rochester, we also saw a little bit of rain this morning. It wasn't much. It was really just a couple of drops, and it's not going to be much more. For Rochester and for most of the area this morning, it should now just be cloudy, but if you're in parts of North Iowa, you still got some decent chances for rain going forward. That's what this looks like. Most of that heavier showers is going to come over the next 4 to 5 hours in North Iowa. Again, if you're along and south of 18, that's where you have the best chance. In southern Minnesota, I'm expecting a couple more rain showers here and there, but it's not going to be a whole lot, nothing too meaningful. Temps today in the 40s, rising at times into the low to mid 50s. Here's our latest computer model data. 10 a.m., this is interesting, right? You still have a little bit of some lingering raindrops through places like Mankato, Waseca, Albert Lee. But the real heavy showers is just to our south, starting to coalesce into some stronger thunderstorms yet again just to our south, with some lighter rain showers spread over our North Iowa counties. Fillmore County, Houston County have the best chance in Minnesota. Later this morning, I've seen some more rain. And then the rest of North Iowa, especially if you're south of 18, like I said, has a decent chance of seeing some more put together, heavier showers at times later this morning and closer to lunchtime. Here's what that looks like in one of our computer model solutions for how much rain you could see. And this is going forward, not including what we've already seen, which albeit hasn't been much, but we've seen a little bit, most of that, maybe half an inch in some spots like Charles City or close to Mason City later today. Now what happens next is winds out of the north following this rain start to blow in cooler air, and that just continues. A huge lobe of the jet stream associated with cold air from the North Pole, dipping down a little bit over the Great Lakes region. That's going to bring us a very cool Sunday and Monday, which is actually, guys, going to seem crazy cold, but it's for this time of year not that unusual. For St. Patrick's Day highs around 38 is pretty close to average for this time of year. Same thing on Monday, and then we do warm up in the middle of next week.
I'm looking forward to more of that warm-up.
Oh, the warm-up.
Yeah.
I thought you said the cool down, and I was like, yeah,
I know it's going to feel good to be a little bit cooler, but...
Yeah. I'm looking to get outside now that I've already gotten a taste of that, you know.
Especially with no snow at this point.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Sean. We head now to the war in Gaza. Secretary of State Antony Blinken says the U.S. is in near constant ceasefire talks with negotiators in the Middle East as countries and humanitarian organizations try to get more aid into Gaza.
Meanwhile, Israel says it plans to direct Palestinians to safety ahead of a planned offensive. Jared Hill has more.